Today we're going to be learning how to create our YouTube channel's banner. You know, a lot of you have not added a banner to your channels, and you know, banner is very, very important. It's one of the things that you optimize your channel with, because do you know that what a thumbnail is to your video is what a banner is to your channel. Your channel is the banner for your channel's banner is very, very important, because when people click to see your channel, your banner is the first thing they see. That banner should be able to tell them what your channel is all about at a glance. You understand? So adding a banner to your YouTube channel is very, very important and should not be overlooked. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a YouTube banner and how to add it to your YouTube channel. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amugo's Concept, and I'm back with another amazing information. If today is your first time tuning in, you're welcome. In this channel, I teach you about YouTube growth, monetization, and growth hacks, and I also teach you how to make money online through paid survey and other online means. So if this is something you're interested in learning, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Drop me your amazing comment, like this video, and share it so that other people can get this amazing information. And lastly, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to know each time I drop any new updates. Now, with all of this being said, let us dive straight into this video and start learning how to create our channel's banner and then add it to our channel to make our channel look very professional and beautiful. There are different ways to create banners, but I'm going to be showing you the simple way to create banner using Canva. We're going to be using the Canva app to create this banner. So if you don't know what a Canva app looks like, this is it on your screen. So you go to your browser or go to Google and then search Canva and then download it. Okay, so we're going to be using Canva for this particular thing. So I will go ahead and start my screen recording right now. Canva is a very, very beautiful app for any creator. In fact, Canva is one of the apps you should have as a YouTube creator, because with this particular app, you'll be able to make different things like your thumbnail. You can create beautiful thumbnails from here, create your YouTube banners, create your intro videos if you're doing vlogs. So many things you can create, but we're working on creating a YouTube banner. So you just go to this place where you're seeing ads. Now, I want you to note that if you're opening this Canva for the first time, it's going to ask you to log in with your email address. So you just choose the email address you want to log in with, and then to log you in, it will open. This is how the interface will look like. So you click on this search bar, and then you type YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner. Sorry, that's a YouTube banner. Okay, so then I click on it. So it's going to load and then show me different banner designs. So all I just need to do is to just choose any one I want to design, because when it shows you, these are just templates. Okay, now some of these banners are looking very big, so when we're creating it, we're going to resize them. Okay, because if you pick it up like this and put it on your channel, it will not be showing everything you want people to see. So when we choose anyone, we're still going to resize it. Let's say, for example, now let me not go too far. Let me just pick this one that says fashion content. Okay, and I'll go ahead and try to start editing it to suit my channel. So I will just pick this one. So once it opens like this, the next thing you want to do, you click on the picture there. Okay, once you click on this picture, you go down and you click on replace. When you click on replace, you must have given Canva permission to your gallery so that it will open it up for you. Then once it opens it, you go ahead and pick any picture there. Okay, once you pick a picture, it will change. You can see. So now the next thing you want to do now is to edit the text. Okay, so you start editing the text to your channel's name. Make money with gray. Okay, so now you can see that the text is big, and for this particular to create this banner, there's a place that is called the save area. It's usually around this small place. So if you take this thing and put it like this on your channel, it may crop off. Okay, so you just have to reduce the size, okay. And then I'll reduce my text size, I'll reduce it and then put it here. Okay, I'll remove this one. So if I want to remove any text, I just highlight it and then I click on that delete box. Okay, I delete this one. Then I increase my text. Then this subscribe button, I have to bring it up to be visible. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'll just go ahead and resize. Okay, just pay attention so that you can also implement this on your own channel. So I'll just go ahead and resize and position it very well. Now this particular box is still looking big to me, so I want to reduce the size, okay, so that it will not affect anything. I want to do this once. I don't want to come and start re-editing this, so I want to reduce it. Don't want to take chances. So you reduce it, just hold the side and reduce, because if you don't reduce them and they are big, it may crop off when somebody is viewing your channel with phone, and be full when somebody is viewing your channel with a laptop. So you make sure you size it very well. So this area you're seeing now is the safe area. Okay, so I think this particular one is okay. So the next thing we're going to do now I want you to also take note that this particular picture, you can also edit it, make it clear, make it visible. But my picture is already okay, but before you bring your picture, you can edit it, or you can also edit it with Canva app. Okay, so this particular banner I feel is okay and nice. So now the next thing we're going to do now is to go and place it on our channel to see how it's going to turn out. So, but before then, you want to go ahead and save your work, like download it to your phone. So you see this arrow that is dropping down, that is pointing down, you click on it. So in your YouTube studio now, you click on this area, this particular place. Let me zoom it out so you see where we're going to. You click on this, the second to the last icon. So click on it for it to open your setting. Okay, so now you see that we don't have any banner. Look at this place where they say banner image. We don't have anyone, so you just click on upload. Okay, so you click on upload, so it will take you to your gallery. So let's pick our banner. So you pick and you click on done. Let's see how it's going to appear. So you see that even with all the edits we did, it did not size. So see that some part of it cropped off just a little bit. So what we're going to do, we'll go back to go and resize it. Okay, because we want our banner to be perfect. So we'll go and resize it. So don't save, okay, just resize. Keep resizing it until it's perfect here. Okay, so now I'll click on cancel, then I'll go and do it again, upload. Then I choose the one I just resized. Okay, it's still a little bit big, so this is what you're going to be doing until it's perfect. So you just have to get it right. Okay, so I want to add it now. So you see that it's now perfect. All the text is showing and the pictures, everything is visible. Okay, so once you've gotten it like this, all you just need to do is to click on done. So you click on done. So it's small here, but when you go to my, okay, when you save it, you click here, this place to publish it, so that it will be visible on your channel. You understand? So now I'm done saving my banner. I want to show you how it looks on my channel. So finally, let's go and see how this particular banner looks on my channel. Okay, so I want to click on my channel. Let's go and see. So look at it, how beautiful it is. Make money with Grey Gold, then subscribe. Everything is showing very well. If you are a new YouTuber or you've been posting and you've not added banner to your channel, then you've not started, go and add that banner so that people will know what your channel is about. Isn't this beautiful? So I believe you now know how to create your channel's banner. And if you have a banner that is not beautifully placed, that is cropped up somehow, you now know how to place your banner very well. You understand? The beautiful thing about Canva is that you can keep downloading the pictures. If it's not good, go and edit, go and crop off, go and make sure you do it and keep downloading it. There's no limit to how much you can download in a day on Canva, even on the free plan. I did this on the free plan, not a pro plan. Okay, so if you're a new YouTuber that you don't have money to subscribe to Canva Pro, I did it on the free plan. Okay, so you can go and do it and place your banner beautifully. This is one way to optimize your channel for growth. And if you have not done the full channel optimization, I explained everything in this particular video, so go and watch it and make sure that your channel is fully optimized and ready for growth. Okay, so that YouTube can start pushing and recommending your video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got value from today's video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching and stay with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.